In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new site in ERPNext. If you're ready to dive into the world of ERP management software and start your journey with ERPNext, you're in the right place. First, we're going to navigate to the Frappe Cloud website by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL, frappecloud.com. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted with the option to either log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you're new. If you need to sign up, the process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create your account, ensuring you use a valid email address because you'll need it verified. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your personalized dashboard. Look around. This is where you'll manage your cloud sites. To start creating a new site, direct your attention to a button that says Plus New Site. This is your gateway to setting up on ERPNext. Clicking on it will open a setup dialog where you will specify the basic parameters for your new site. The first choice you'll make is the ERPNext version. At the time of this video, version 15 is available and recommended for stability and the latest features. Select the appropriate version that aligns with your needs. Next, choose the region or server. This decision is significant because it can affect both speed and compliance with local data policies. If your business operates primarily in Europe, for example, selecting a server in the same region might help optimize performance and ensure adherence to local regulations. The next step involves choosing a plan for your site. If you're just starting out or wish to explore the functionalities, the free plan might be a good starting point. However, for more intensive usage or access to enhanced features and support, you might consider a paid plan that aligns with your business needs. Carefully assess which plan offers the best resources and support for your operation. Once you have carefully selected your ERPNext version, region server, and the plan that best suits your needs, go ahead and click on the Create Site button at the bottom of the setup window. This initiates the process of setting up your site. In just a few minutes, your new site will be ready, complete with ERPNext pre-installed. This means you won't have to worry about getting stuck in technical installations. You can dive right into exploring ERPNext's features. So, that's it. You have now created your own site on ERPNext. Now, you're all set to customize and begin leveraging the full potential of ERPNext for your business operations. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with ERPNext.